Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I look insane right now. I'm about to do my makeup, and after that I'm going to show you the in-depth version of how to do the middle part Kendall Jenner bun. Now this, for some odd reason, went viral on my TikTok and my Instagram Reels. I don't know why. On TikTok it has more than like 8 million views, and then on Instagram Reels it has like 2 or 3 million views. That's a lot for me. I don't know why it went viral, but it did. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do it in depth, because on there it's just like a 15-second or less video. So it's kind of hard if you're not that good at hair, you know, to really understand how to do it. So I will do the whole rundown after I do my makeup. So I'll catch you guys in a second. Okay, we're back. I had to run downstairs. DHL has been on my last nerve, so they like won't drop off packages, and we don't have a buzzer, so it just makes things difficult. But okay, we're gonna get started. So I will use this brush. This is a rat tail comb, and I will link similar ones below, or if I could find this exact one, but any really works. So like any like this, but then you will take, first of all, I'll section this off just to make it a little bit more straight. Okay, so first you'll take the rat tail and you'll go, I would say about up to here, because you want the middle part to be visible and this part will be going back. So just kind of go down with the comb, and I just tuck it behind here to make it easier. And then same thing on the other side. It kind of just naturally does it. It doesn't need to be exactly perfect. Then you'll do the same thing here. So that's really the most important step. So once you have this done, you could use clips, but we'll make this a little bit easier so you can see what you're doing. This looks so weird. But you just really want to get it to the side. So I'll use a little hair tie, because I had it clipped like this last time, but it's so hard to see what you're doing. So I'm just gonna put it over here. It's really just keeping it so it doesn't go up in the pony. That's the whole point of doing this step. Some people just let it hang. I just prefer to tie it just so that there's no little hairs that I need to deal with. Then the next step, you're just gonna put up your bun. I'm gonna get most of the pieces up before I use any product. Sometimes this is a pretty easy hairstyle to do when your hair is like wet, because it's more sleek. If you do want it more sleek, maybe do it out of the shower. But I'll just take all the hair, bring these back like this. Feel free to wet the pieces. I have a little water cup next to me, so if any pieces need a little bit of like, just because they're a little bit curly or fly away, I'll just wet them a little bit. Because if you put in the hairspray or gel right now, sometimes it's really hard to work with the hair. So again, I'll wet. See, that side was a little bit frizzy. I'll wet this, and it's easier to take your comb and then sleek it back. Okay, I'm gonna spray here a little bit, spray it here a little bit, so that when I comb it up, it stays a little bit better. Okay, so now that the hair is all sprayed, this is not what I did in the video, but I found this easier and it makes it more sleek to do it this way. So instead of doing the top knot and then bringing these pieces into it, I'm gonna take this down now. And now you're gonna work those pieces into this. Now, just go like this. And again, feel free to wet these pieces. Now I'm gonna just spray this so that it stays a little bit more. Okay, now we're ready to do the top knot. I think this looks pretty good. The middle part is there. Now, a little trick I like to do is this extra hanging hair to give it more, I guess, texture. Spray it with a bit of texturizing spray and or hairspray. Go over it like this, and then you'll kind of like rough it out. It's an odd trick I like to do, but I find that it works really well. Okay, then we're gonna take my handy dandy little hair ties that I got from the dollar store. A little twist here, and then I'll do my first wrap around, and then I'll take the back half and then kind of come to the front. So it leaves this hanging little piece, and then I'm gonna take this back portion and then wrap that around. So then you still have that hanging piece like Kendall has in her hair. And that's pretty much it. This is the viral Kendall Jenner middle part high bun, high top knot. I want to note that I am not a hairstylist. I never used to know how to do hair. I still don't. I kind of just wing it as I go, and I have fun with it. And hopefully my tips and tricks today helped you achieve this look a little bit easier. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comments what you would like to see more of, and I'll try it out. And if there's any on TikTok or Reels that you would like to see a more detailed version of, let me know, because I'd be happy to do it. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time.